Ladies and gentlemen, I've been in the industry for 20 years, and this kind of property doesn't come on the market that often, maybe once in a generation. Built in 1866. Today, I present to you Welcome Cottage. Let's take a look inside. On the ground floor, the property comprises of a separate dining room, downstairs cloakroom, study room, and a 19-foot living room. It also has a spacious 15-foot kitchen dining area. On the first floor, the property benefits from 3 good-sized bedrooms and a family bathroom. Did I mention, guys, the low maintenance, south-facing rear garden? One thing I can safely say about this beautiful cottage is these breathtaking, unoverlooked views, as you can see. Time for you, Steve. One for me. Everyone at Welcome Cottages? Last orders. If you would like more information about this property, please give us a call on 01268 271 110. My name's Daniel, and we are Battleforce.